Yo, what's going on, everyone? We are back with another reaction video, man. This was a highly recommended video, and I could not wait to check it out. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn all post notifications on. We got another WRC Rally Finland racing video. But this one says crashes, action, and pure sound. So let's go ahead and check it out. You know, I did not click on this video just to see some crashes. Here we go. Oh my. Nah, that airtime was crazy. I think that's the longest I've ever seen. Oh. First person view is crazy. Oh my gosh. I thought... Wait a minute, he was using his windshield wipers. But, wait a minute. Why was he using his windshield wipers? Don't that make his view even worse? Don't it just smear everything? Because in the last video I watched, the TT one with the Subaru, he was like, you know, I don't want to use my wipers because sometimes it tends to make the view worse. So just leave it there, let it be, continue on. Why we... Maybe it's different, and maybe the wipers are different. Like I said, I'm still new to the rally racing, man. Might be some different rules here. Please, let me know in the comments. Educate me, man. Educate me. Nice land, nice land.
Oikein. 120 tuli oikea laita. Pikku rupesi. Oikein. 120 tuli oikea laita. Pikku rupesi lyhyt vasenloiva kantos. Backrash jump and dip and backrash jump 6.170 there.
That was nice. That's nice. That was nice. Close save. That's close. That's close. That's close.
Lopussa kirraa lyhyemmän cherry-yliin. 50 vasemmalle, vasen helppo yli, rapid, oikein täysmiinus.
Come around that corner heavy. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry to talk over that beautiful sound. Effortlessly, man. Oh no, way upside. Oh. No, man. I wouldn't. You see, I wasn't expecting the first one. Then you hit me with a second one, and then you hit me with a third one. No, come on, man. I hope he's all right, for real, for real. That's crazy. I hope there's not a lot of. Where's your front windshield? going upside down. I thought we was. I thought we was flipping over, man.
Hyppivä avatellaita heti.
He has excellent control.
Neppy häilyvä 3, oikein loiva alussa yli 8. Vasen laita Neppy täys hyppää 4. Neppy täys 190 oikein niukku.
Close to that tree. I'm kind of jealous because it's the fact that you guys get to be so close up and have such a great view. That's not fair at all. Hey, if it was here in the U.S., we would have been blocked off by gates, security guards, Secret Service. We can't have no fun, man. We can't have nothing.
Seikä nukkia pane 6 viitosta 76 rapliinilla. 7 koppanemat 25. Ylivikavainen lähde 5 miinus. Rapliini 2.
Hey now. Oh. Man, I'm sorry. I have to. Why is there a passenger? Okay. Why is there passengers in WRC Rally car races? Here we go. Please. Is the car too light or something? Do we need 2 people in here? Like, what is going on? No, we don't want to come. We don't want to go to Reddit. I don't want a bunch of opinions. Okay, here we go. Let's see if this website gives us something. What does the guy in the passenger seat do? Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm trying to look for the important part. Driver's complete difference might be the odd compared co-driver. Okay, the co-driver sits lower in the car than the driver. This isn't a design feature to prevent the co-driver from panicking, but to keep the center of gravity of the car as low as possible. Okay. Co-driving isn't for frustrated drivers. You've got to want to do it and enjoy it. If something is going a bit wrong at high speed, it's better to have someone better than you at driving a rally car holding the wheel. Okay. Wait, let me make sure I read that right. You gotta want to join it. If somebody going a bit wrong at high speed, it's better to have someone better than you at driving a rally car holding. Okay, yeah, of course. That makes sense. So it's basically to keep the center of gravity, you know, in the car. I was gonna say, because what's going on? I know he has a pen and paper. That's got to be kind of scary too. How you writing stuff down in a moment like this? But this is what they train for, man. Everybody has their thing. I just needed to know what the passenger guy was for. I'm like, what is you here for, man? You know, gotta show him some type of love. I'm like, what's this man doing in the passenger seat? He doing something.
Hyppy vasemmalta jarru 5, lyhyt oikein, niin huolet, rapikkaset nopea, tolppaa.
The wipers really are helping.
Mene oikein helppo sisässä. Jatkaa. Loput ovat helppo.
I love that sound.
Jopainen 6 miinus kiinä trampliiniga 40 trampliin 100 lyhkäpainen 6 plus trampliin stopp 50 alla 103 till.
Okay, that's cool and all, but how many of these rally cars is coming back damaged? How many would you say? What's the total cost of damages towards these rally cars? Or wait, maybe each rally car is, oh, never mind. Do all these rally cars belong to like just one, how do I say it? I guess racing franchise, or is it like NASCAR, F1 and everything where everyone has their own team? But still, you know, I want to know how much in total damages after each race. It don't matter if it's a franchise paying for it or each team single-handedly, man. Because last video, the dude ain't have no windshield. I'm surprised the car was driving. And on the helmets, do these guys have like extra visors to like, you know, how the dirt bike riders do and all that to just keep ripping off? If there was no windshield, say the windshield happened to break off. Say the windshield happened to come off somehow, some way, somehow, and you still able to drive and finish this race. Do you have visors on these helmets that you could just keep pulling off until this race is over, man? So the dirt and everything doesn't, you know, block your view? Cover your helmet? Because that's a safety hazard, man. Y'all let me know in the comments. Please share this video to your friends, your family. I am so thankful for the love and support you guys have been showing lately, man. We are growing so fast, so fast. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.